Hi students, today this topic exercise 5.2 in third question. Find the sum of the following expression. Find the sum of the following expression. Here a question, x square plus y square minus z square. X square minus y square plus z square, comma y square minus x square plus z square. B 3ab plus 4ac plus 5. 11ac minus 3 plus 4ab, 7 minus 6ab minus 11ac. This one sum. Sum means addition. This one add. First one, x square plus y square minus z square, x square minus y square plus z square, y square minus x square plus z square. Next one, here sum of it. Sum means addition. You put, you take it, addition. X square plus y square minus z square plus x square minus y square plus z square plus y square minus x square plus z square. Next one, x square plus y square minus z square, plus take it inside, plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus y square, so plus into plus, plus z square. Next one, plus inside take and go, plus into plus, plus y square, plus into minus, minus x square, plus into plus, plus z square. Now plus one side, minus x square one side, y square one side, z square one side, repeat. X square here plus x square minus x square. Next y square plus y square here minus y square plus y square. Next one, minus z square here plus z square. Next one, plus z square. Here plus x square minus y square, cancel. Next one, here also plus minus. Here plus z square minus z square, cancel. So remaining x square plus y square plus z square. So this is for first one answer. Next one, B sum. This one comma B, you take it plus, take it plus, put it 3ab plus 4ac plus 5, take it plus, put here equal, is 11ac minus 3 plus 4ab plus 7 minus 6ab minus 11ac. Next, 3ab 4ac plus 5, 3ab plus 4ac plus 5, plus taken inside, plus into plus, plus 11ac, plus into minus, minus 3, plus into plus, plus 4ab. This one plus into plus, plus 7, plus into minus, minus 6ab, plus into minus, minus 11ac. Next, ab one side, ac one side. Next one, constants one side. 3ab. Next one, plus 4ab. Next one, minus 6ab. Next, AC plus 4AC plus 11AC minus 11AC. Next, constant here 5 plus 5 minus 3 plus 7. Now, AB take it outside, 3 plus 4 minus 6 AB plus here AC take it outside 4 plus 11 minus 11 AC. Next one constants plus of 5 minus 3 plus 7. 3 plus 4 7. 3 plus 4 7 minus 6 AB plus 4 plus 11 15 minus 11 AC plus 5 plus 7 12. 5 plus 7 12. Here minus 3. Now 7 minus 6 1. So 1 A B plus 15 minus 11 4. 4 AC 12 minus 3 9. So plus 9. This is first, second one answer. Next one, fourth sum. A 3x square plus 4y square plus 5z square from 6x square minus 11y square plus 9z square. B 2x square minus 3x plus 5 from 0. This one subtract. First one. A. This one from this one. So this one write it first. 6x square minus 11 y square plus 9 z square minus of this one 3x square plus 4y square plus 5 z square. Next one 6x square minus 11y square plus 9z square. This one minus taken go inside. This one minus into here plus. Minus into plus minus 3x square. This one minus into plus minus. So 4y square. This one minus into plus minus 5z square. Next one x square one side, y square one side, z square one side. 6x square minus 3x square. Next minus 11 y square minus 4 y square plus 9 z square. Next one minus 5 z square. This one x square take it outside. 6 minus 3 x square plus inside minus 11 minus 4 y square plus 9 minus 5 z square. 6 minus 3 3x square minus 11 minus 4 minus 15 plus into minus minus, so minus 15 y square. 9 minus 5 4 plus 4 z square. This one first one answer. Next one second one. B. This one from 0. So 0 minus 2x square minus 3x plus 5. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 from 0. From 0 means 0 front right it minus of this one. Here 0 limit. This minus taken go inside. Minus into plus. Minus 2x square. Minus into minus. Plus. So plus 3x. Here minus, here plus, minus into plus, minus. So minus 5. This is for this side find out the subtraction of expression. Next one, fifth question. What should be added to? What should be added to 2x square minus y square plus 3y minus 3 to get x cube plus y square plus 2y plus 1. What number you added to this one and this one, you get it x cube plus y square plus 2y plus 1. That one you find out. So, x cube plus y square plus 2y plus 1 minus of this number 2x square minus y square plus 3y minus 3. These two use subtraction put. Here find coming one answer, that one, this one and this one you add it, get it this answer. X cube plus y square plus 2y plus 1 plus into here minus, here plus, minus into plus, minus 2x square, here minus, minus into minus, plus y square minus into plus, minus 3y minus, here minus into minus, plus 3. X cube. Next, plus y square. Here 2x square. So, here change it. 2x cube. Here also 2x cube. X cube minus 2x cube. Here y square plus y square. Here also plus y square. Here plus 2y. Plus 2y minus 3y. Here plus 1. Here plus 3. Cube, square, y and the constants. This one, x cube commonly are, we take it outside. X cube take it here, 1 minus 2x cube. Plus this also that I take it, 1 plus 1 y square. Plus this also 2 minus 3 into y plus 1 plus 3 4. 1 minus 2 minus 1, so minus x cube. 1 plus 1 2, 2 y square plus 2 y square. 2 minus 3 minus 1, so minus y. Here plus 4. So this number it should be added to, you get this one.